Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to cover NCERT Class 4th EVS Chapter 11 The Valley of Flowers. Key concept of this chapter: amazing features of Valley of Flowers, different kinds of flowers, parts of a flower, Madhumani folk art, uses of flowers in our daily life. Flowers. Flower is the most colorful and beautiful part of a plant. Most flowers have attractive colors. Let us all take a virtual tour of the Valley of Flowers. Valley of Flower is located in the district of Chamoli near Badrinath in the state of Uttarakhand. It is approximately 600 km north of national capital New Delhi. It was declared as National Park in 1982 and now it is a World Heritage Site under the Nature category by UNESCO. Valley of Flower is famous for its rich diversity in flora and fauna. Flora means the species of plant, whereas fauna means species of animal. It has around 300 different varieties of alpine flowers which form a beautiful carpet of the flowers. Valley of Flower is famous for its natural beauty. Valley of Flowers comes into full bloom by 15th July and we can see maximum numbers of flowers from 15th July to 15th of August. In the month of July, the valley becomes lush green in color and every week its shade changes according to flowers. In the month of August, some early flowers start maturing and the valley of flowers changing its shade to yellowish green. By the September end, a very less number of flowers are seen and the valley is full of different kind of berries. Apart from flowers, in Valley of Flower we can find the animal also like aesthetic black bear, snow leopard, musk deer and red fox are found there. Different kind of flower we can find in Valley of Flower like Himalayan blue poppy. This is the picture of Himalayan blue poppy. This is daisies. This one is dianthus and calendula flower, brahmkamal, periwinkle, pansies, asters. These different kind of flowers are found in Valley of Flower. Some important fact about flower. Children, do you know which is the largest flower and smallest flower on this earth? Yes, Rafflesia is the largest flower found on the earth. Its weight is about 15 pounds and it's grow up to the 3 feet of height. This is the picture of Rafflesia flower. Second is Wolfia. Wolfia is the smallest flower on this earth. Its size is about of a grain of a rice. This is a picture of Wolfia flower. Next is carnivorous plant are flowering plants that eat bugs and small animals. For example, Venus flytrap. They can trap the bugs and they engulf and digest. Next is parts of a flower. Basically, there are four parts of a flower: sepal, petal, carpel, stamen. Sepal. Sepal leaf like growing part of a plant. The main function of sepal is to protect the flower before its blossom. Second is petal. Petal main function is to attract pollinators such as insect, butterflies. Third is carpel. Carpel include stigma, style and ovary. These are the female part of the flower. They help in fertilization. And the last is stamen. Stamen include anther and filament. The main function of the stamen is also the fertilization. These are the parts of a flower: sepal, petals, carpel, stamen. Carpel include stigma style ovary and stamen include anther and filament. Carpel is the female part and stamen is the male part of a flower. Next is uses of flowers. There are several uses of flowers. Just like marigold, genia, hibiscus, they are used to make colors. Several flowers, just like rose, if we mix the rose water in glycerin and lemon juice, we can use in winter to prevent cracking and dry skin. Bee make honey using nectar from the flowers. The petal of roses are used to make rose water or gulab jal. It is also used to make a sweet preserve called gulkan. Many flowers can be eaten. Just like drumstick, banana, pumpkin are eaten, we get oil from seeds of the sunflower. This oil is used for cooking purpose. Some flowers we are used to make rangoli, bouquet, in decoration of marriages, festival, in offering to God. Flowers are also the source of livelihood for many peoples like gardeners. Flowers such as rose, jasmine are used to make scent also. So these are the function of flower or uses of flower. Next is Madhubani painting. Madhubani art is a style of Indian painting. This painting is done with a variety of tools like fingers, twings, brushes, nib pen, matchsticks, and they use a natural dye like haldi and neil. It is a characteristic by eye-catching geometrical pattern. In Madhubani painting, there is a geometrical pattern that is made by animals, trees, flowers, bird, fish, and many other animals also. This is the picture of Madhubani painting. Madhubani painting get its name from Bihar district Madhubani. In Bihar, the people during the festival and happy occasion, the wall of the houses and their courtyard are painted with such pictures. These pictures are made out of paste of powdered rice, in which they mix some kind of dye like neil or haldi. The painting show different kind of picture like human beings, animals, trees, flowers and birds. These are some beautiful pictures of Madhubani art. Flowers are the gift of nature and look more beautiful when they are on the plant. So we should avoid plucking them. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.